Hi guys! Sa closing program na San Amor Sport Fest. Hi Bistor. Hi Jim. Hi Seth. Seth, kaway-kaway. Malo. Fight. Go. Siyempre. Hi Sir! Vlog init. Thank you sir. May budol pie. Mga ka-idol, may budol pie kami. Ang closing program for the Kaap Sport Fest CY 2025-2026. Siyempre may lechon.
Magwapo.
Malatagtag sa lechon.
Guwapo.
Hi Jim! Ilan Jim? Oh, say hi to my vlog. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. May picture, may video. Wow.
Good morning po. Sorry po from time before.
Yes, bal.
Kasi sabi na rin po namin ang award dito na natin winners.
Ano ako mga maganda na mga ka-teammates, siyempre. Uy. Uy, may panit.
Dapat may
Jin. Oh, pamahin-bahin, day. Manager.
We realize that without your blessings, we would not be able to succeed with the plans we have for this activity. Bestow your grace and divine wisdom to all of us present here, so we can cooperate and enjoy camaraderie and love for the greater glory of your name. Bless also those we have left behind our homes. May you grant them peace and happiness as they go about their activities. Bless people around the globe that they may enjoy peace and the goodness of your love. We ask all these through your mighty name. Amen.
Good morning once again. We will begin our short program.
Congratulations also sa first runner-up ang Regional Security Agency. Congratulations also sa second runner-up, which is the Kaap Avengers team. Of course, hindi sila mananalo kung walang consolation. Siyempre, ang ating PNP Abseo with OTS, ang ating and of course, yung team namin, yung Kaap.
Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines and Martin Airport present this certificate of appreciation to Regional Security Agency.
Ukod ka muna duwa.
For your invaluable effort and active participation during the 5-day event of Kaap Masbate Airport Sport Fest held in August 4 to 8, 2025 at Masbate Airport. Minister Ma'am Camille.
Bale.
Representative po. Ate Jenny, kung mag-video.
Ano pa? Kaya mapapicture pa May picture pa ka mo. Thank you. Thank you for the recognition.
Uy, may 1,000 kita. Para sa may consolation prize.
May consolation prize. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye. Makadili mo tuloy ako. Sir.
Kaya ba nag-iba sir?
Goodbye.
Ibilin tong tira. Char. Iputos na mabili.
Hi mga sirs. Kaganda din yung picture. Yes sir.
Kaya po. Ay.
Picturean ko daan. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Video na video. Fight lang. Go. Video. Matibay ka ba sa sungka? Dili na sungka. After the Bodol fight, mga ka-idols. Now, pinauli ang Coke. Ay, na, upuan ha. By before and after. Na-order.